There is a blind applique stitch built into the Bernina 480 sewing machine. It does hide out over in the quilting menu, so start there and scroll down to stitch number 1316. Now when you notice this, it comes up very, very narrow, 1.8 millimeters wide and not very long. It kind of looks like a blind hem stitch, but it is slightly different. Number one, it's built into the right settings you need. Traditionally, you use clear thread in your needle and then stitch around the pieces. So this is actually a quilt that I have actually blind applique stitched all these circles right on top of and through the entire quilt. So I actually did it after I quilted the quilt. They were the last things on, okay, besides the binding, because that one was on and then the binding went on it. But all you need to do is put on an open toe foot and follow around. Now I'm going to show you one more trick about needle position that will help. And these were little circles that were actually created using the circular sewing attachment that you can get from your local Bernina store, and then stitched around, turned, because there's interfacing on the back, fused down, and then I stitch it down with that clear thread. So when you're actually stitching, it actually looks like you are barely even stitching anywhere. You're just following right along. But it's kind of hard to know where to follow in this big open gap. So sometimes what I'll do is move the needle position, move the whole stitch to the far right side. This is my ultimate trick. And then bring the piece that I'm actually appliquing right on the inside of the right toe of the open toe foot. Then I have something to actually follow. Now when you are using clear thread, one of the things you'll probably need to do is reduce the top tension maybe a little bit more. So if you're seeing any of your bobbin thread coming up to the top side, just touch and bring that top tension to a smaller number and just decide when it actually looks good. But this allows you to just ease yourself right on around. Use your freehand system. That's the part that lifts and lowers your presser foot with your knee, and stop with your needle down. Blind applique, super easy with the right stitch and the right thread.